Meaning of digestif.
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 Digestif. Digestif is a French word that refers to an alcoholic beverage consumed after a meal to aid in digestion. These beverages are typically bitter and can include liqueurs, brandies, and fortified wines. They serve to stimulate the digestive system and help the body break down food more efficiently. Digestifs have been enjoyed in many cultures throughout history and are often seen as a way to bring a pleasant end to a meal. While not essential to digestion, they can provide a flavorful and enjoyable way to conclude a dining experience.